Well, welcome, fellow travelers. Your traveling buddy here, coming to you today from Bath, Michigan. And today, if you haven't heard, I had some bad news yesterday. Michigan is officially on Wednesday going back into lockdown. I'm so tired of 2020, I swear to God. So I came out here I figured to go out for a little hike. What a better way to get social distancing from everybody and get away from it. So I came out here, found this trail on All Trails, that All Trails app told you about. It's a nature center out here in Bath. I actually found it before, on accident, but it is on All Trails. And all that. It's off this little dirt road right here. So let's go for a little evening hike. So travel with me, will you? Here's what the name of the park is. It's called the Bath Township Fletcher Robson Nature Area. Right here. There's a sign right there. It's off this little dirt road right here. Some barns right near it. It's a nice little area. It's kind of quiet. So this will be a nice little place to go for a little hike, I figured. Check it out. And here's the park hours, dawn to dusk, by order of the Bath Charter Township. So, and here's where you park. It's basically not even really a parking lot. I mean, it is, but it isn't. It's all grass. And there's a fence right there. No hunting back here, which will be good. This time of year, people are out hunting, so I won't have to worry about anybody out there hunting. At least I hope. Kind of a pretty little area at the beginning, There's a little brick house right over here. There's a little bird house right there. Looks like it's kept well, up pretty good. There's a picnic table right over here too. Come over here and have a picnic. Some old benches over here. A little map to show you how far it goes. Right there. It says play clean, go. Stop invasion species in your tracks. Help prevent the spread of invasion plants and animals. Arrive with clean gear. Burn local or certified firewood. Use local or weed-free hay. Stay on trails. Before leaving, remove mud and seeds. Huh. Never seen that sign before. Here's the map. There's a yellow, a blue loop, and a red loop. And a green loop, and light green loop. There's several little loops. Now this is toward dusk, so I probably won't be out there too long. But I just had to get out and do a hike, I was out getting some things done, and I figured it's just, I'm just frustrated with all this lockdown talk and everything else. I'm just tired of this year, This year has just been horrible. You can't do anything without wearing a stupid mask, and everybody's complaining. It's like, you can't make everybody happy. I'm ready to get back to normal. Pretty nice little area. Notice too that they mark the trees so you know where the red is. So won't get lost either. There's another triangle there. Oh, you got a little thing here. I'm talking about wildflowers, ash trees. Yeah, there you go. You can learn stuff out here too. That's cool. So I've never been to this one. So I've learned about it on all trails. Benches right there. You can sit, relax. There's one of the other trails, it looks like. Yeah, see? Here's where you do the cutoff right there. You can either go that way or this way, but I think I'll keep going straight. Oh, there's another trail right here. Yeah, see, it's not very big. Look at that, it's pretty wilderness out here though. See, all the leaves are off the trees. We're definitely in our winter stage. But you know what? We're gonna get that snow. Hate to say it, but we're gonna get it. Now when I said they said we're going into lockdown again, it says for only 3 weeks. That's what they said last time. You know, next thing you know, it'll be going on and on. I mean, they're even trying to regulate us how many people come to Thanksgiving dinner. And that's the other thing that's ticking me off. I'm not even gonna have technically a Thanksgiving dinner. My mom called me because she's all afraid again about the COVID and everything, so she canceled Thanksgiving dinner. I'm like, really? Said possibly we're gonna have an early Christmas dinner or something. I don't know, but who knows what that's gonna mean. You know, it's getting ridiculous. Everything's canceled. You know, you can't. They're shutting down restaurants. So my little plan of doing the Thanksgiving meals and stuff is pretty much out. Shut down movie theaters, restaurants, you know, the bars are going to be closing, and everything else. You know, schools are even canceled again. You know, they're sending the kids go back home. I mean, how are these kids going to get an education if you can't go to school? You know, they're worried about our future, but those kids are our future. If they ain't learning anything, you know, they're just going to be running the streets. Crazy. We have to do another across. I think I'll still go straight. Looks nice over that way. Look at that. It'd be cool if you could see some deer or something out here. With all the leaves off the trees, you probably see them pretty good. One of those learning things. Well, somebody drew a bee on there. And that's their mascot for the school. Bath Bees. It's a sweet woodruff. So yeah, you can learn stuff out here. That's cool. So this is a nature center. You know. Pretty peaceful out here. Quiet. Kind of a little bit because the highway's over that way. Kind of hear them a little bit. It's actually pretty quiet out here. Let's see, we're going to across. Either go that way, because there's another one of these. Tells you which way to go. Like that's the yellow trail. Looks like that ends. I don't know. I'll check it out. See what it shows. I guess they're right. It does end because I'm not seeing a trail anymore. This is tree after tree right here. They didn't even go along. I see some homes right over that way. So I guess back to the other way. And it's the trail they haven't completed. So we're definitely out in the countryside. They say I have signs there, no hunting around here, but I just heard a gunshot not too far from here. So there's somebody out hunting, not in this area, but it was quite a ways away. I could tell it was a gunshot. I mean, when I talk about, when I'm ranting, I know I'm ranting right now, because, and I'm not saying the COVID thing isn't out there. I'm just tired of it. I'm like, my opinion, it's bad. I mean, I know it's bad. But we can't be freaking out, like everyone does. Every time I turn around, people are, even at my work, they're trying to regulate. I work nights, and they're trying to tell us that we have to wear a mask even when the store's closed. Man, we're so social distancing in there, but we're all in our own aisles and everything like that. Why should we have to wear a mask? It's ridiculous. I can understand. Keep sanitized. Wash your hands and everything like that. But don't mess with everybody's lives, It's just ridiculous. It's supposed to be the land of the free. Well, this ain't the land of the free when you can't do what you want now. Okay, little rant's over. But yeah, look at this. There's a lot of hills out here too. Definitely get some exercise out here. A lot of hills. This one's pretty steep. I tell you what, definitely there wasn't markers. You definitely could get lost out here. I mean, even let's say right now, I can't barely even see the trail. You can tell where the trail is, but yeah, there wasn't markers. Somebody could probably get pretty lost out here. Probably why they say no, it has to be after dusk. Looks like this is where it loops around. Right here. Even getting a little sketchy right here. Oh, there's the trail. I'm trying to figure out where the trail was. It's over here. See, that's what I'm saying. It's kind of hard to see the trail. I was thinking it was over that way. But no, it's right here. Almost stumbled there. Yeah, you gotta watch what you're doing. Look at all these leaves. There's like rocks underneath. Falling branches. And here's where it loops around right here. See where it loops down there. Actually, it looks like we come up to someone's property too. There's a sign right there that says private property. So, see, I was just about to stumble there. Gotta watch where you're going. Yeah. Private property, Lee's Township Park. Right there. So yeah, it goes down this way. Perfect example. See, I come up this field right here. And I couldn't tell if there's a path. I mean, the path I came down right there. You look up front here, but it does look like there's a little path that goes through here. Otherwise, I'd be going right back up. You know, I think let's just go down through here. I'm basically heading back the same way I came. There's a lot of brush right here. See, I'm not seeing where it goes. Yeah, I might end up turning around. It don't look like a way through. To be honest. Said this is my first time here. There's a lot of pricker bushes right here too. And see, there's going gunshot. Did you hear that? Gunshot. Yeah, we're close to somebody's hunting too. Yeah, I think I'll turn around. Go back the other way. Here's something out there. Bird or what? So that's what I'm saying. Yeah, use your better judgment when you come to a new place like this, especially by yourself. And if I knew where that went, I might have changed it, but I don't know where it went. You know that. I said it's getting dark. It's starting to get pretty dark. So yeah, I want to get turned around. I tell you what, it definitely started getting dark pretty quick. It's only 5 o'clock. Of course, that's that time of year. Start getting dark early. I'll probably head back towards the beginning. It was a nice little hike anyway. I'll come back another day when it's daylight. Another reason why I'd have to be out here after dark. Good idea, because you have coyotes around here. Don't see them that much, but they're here. I have seen a few. You know, they do come out at night. And I usually sometimes get out of work at 5 o'clock in the morning. You're driving home. And it looks like a dog crossing the road, but it's not a dog. It's a coyote. But yeah, you don't want to be out here after dark. I hear them sometimes from my house, yiping away, all that. They're out here. Keep themselves, but walk up on one, I'm sure they'll attack. Especially this time of year. I'm just glad the weather's been okay today. You know, it's been getting cold. At night it gets pretty cold. And if I didn't have to start warming up my truck before I leave work and all that. Because you get in that truck, it's cold. That's why you don't see me doing too many camping until I get here. Back up the parking lot. There's old Betty right there. Like I said, still see back there, but it's dark. trees. It's pretty dark pretty quick. So, yeah, I'll probably end this right now. Head home. But I just at least wanted to do this little hike, so I can give a rant with you. Do a little rant about the whole lockdown. I'll come back out here another day when it's more daylight, so I know where I'm going. Alright, fellow travelers, that's going to be about it for this quick little hike around the Fletcher Robson Nature Center right here, nature area. It was okay. I mean, like I said, it's getting dark out there. I would have gone a little bit longer, but like I said, I can't see out there. I didn't bring a flashlight or anything, and I don't know them trails that well. But it was nice, and I had to do a little rant about the stupid lockdown. I'm telling you, I'm ready for 2020 to be over. I want 2021 to go back to normal. I'm tired of everything being shut down, locked up. I can't even celebrate the holidays because of this stupid pandemic. I mean, I don't mean to rant, but you gotta rant sometimes. It's just ridiculous. The whole year has been horrible. I know I've been out traveling, whatever you notice in my videos, I kept myself distance from most people, but I just want to get back to normal so I can go to museums and all kinds of attractions. Alright, rant's over. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share me out on all social media, tell your friends, tell your family about me, so I can continue traveling and showing you cool places like this. So next time, my fellow travelers, I'll see you around the mitten.